What's going on, guys? Today I got the TPOB Slime 2 clippers in the mail. I figured I'd do a little unboxing, let you guys check them out. Now, I am no barber, but I've been cutting my own hair recently. And the clippers that I have just suck ass. So I was doing some research online. Heard good things about these for the price. Like I said, I'm no barber. I don't need anything crazy. But I like how these don't have a cord and they're wireless. So, first look inside the box. Seems pretty nice. Pretty nice packaging. Oh yeah, I like those. Those look cool. Pretty cool. Let's see what all comes with it. Instruction manual. Some guards. More guards. More guards. Charger. Guess that just sits on there like that. Oil. Some more guards. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I guess this is like open lever, close lever. I guess this is the lever, but it has notches in it. Never seen that before. Let's pop that off. That's pretty cool. Pretty interesting. Definitely am looking forward to testing these bad boys out. Damn, I am tired. I had a crazy day today up on the 32-foot ladder. Wasn't even tall enough to finish the job, so gotta find a 40 to rent and go get it done tomorrow. Probably not gonna cut my hair tonight, but maybe this weekend or some shit. I will definitely let you guys know how these work, if they're any good or not. Like I said, I've heard a lot of good stuff about them, but hopefully they're not full of shit. All right, later.